Baking soda, otherwise known as sodium bicarbonate, has beneficial properties like anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antifungal and antibacterial, just to name a few. Amazingly, this fine powder form has many uses for our skin, hair and body, including our teeth. Let us enumerate their usefulness one by one so you can appreciate its value. Make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up for more great content like this. Number 1. Whitens teeth. Baking soda can brighten your teeth by eliminating plaque and yellow stains. This can be done in two ways. First is by mixing it to your toothpaste and brush for 2 minutes. Another way is to prepare a mixture of 2 tablespoons baking soda, 4 tablespoons of turmeric root and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil. This should only be done once a day, as too much baking soda can cause natural enamel erosion. Number 2. Improves skin complexion. Baking soda is one of the best body scrubs I know. Not only does the skin feel smooth after, you also look more radiant as it successfully removes the dead skin cells and balances the skin's pH level. You can try this useful facial mask to get that glowing look. Mix filtered rose water with 2 teaspoons baking soda, then apply onto face. Leave it for a minute and then rub it off in a circular motion and rinse with lukewarm water. This should be done once or twice a week to get best results. Another mixture that is great for improving complexion is by mixing lemon juice and 4 to 5 teaspoons of extra virgin oil and put the paste onto your face and leave it for 5 minutes before rinsing off with cold water. Number 3. To get rid of whiff and hair oils. The scalp should be cleaned without interrupting the pH level to keep it healthy, and this is where baking soda is good at, since it has alkaline properties that balance the pH levels. Simply use your regular shampoo and pour in a teaspoon of baking soda to have a perfect hair wash. This should be done 1 to 2 times in a week. You can also make a do-it-yourself dry shampoo by combining equal parts of baking soda and cornstarch. Dredge the mixture all over the hair roots, rumple hair and brush hair until the hair is clean. Number 4. Soothe irritations and skin rashes. Baking soda is also good for rashes, itchy or irritated skin and skin disorders, since it can ease swelling and itching because of its anti-inflammatory properties. For itching, simply soak with a cup of baking soda in tub with cool water tub and soak for 10 minutes, this will fix the problem. Just remember to avoid baking soda for severely damaged or irritated skin to prevent flare-ups. Number 5. Fights zits and acne. Yes, this is definitely an inexpensive way of treating zits and acne at the comfort of your own home, and a very effective one at that. Just make a paste with mixing it with a little water and apply to affected area and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse with cold water. Number 6. Removes nail fungus. Although it is quite difficult to remove nail fungus, however, with baking soda you can say goodbye to it once and for all. Apply a warm paste to the nails and leave it for a couple of minutes and rinse with warm water. Or you can also try 1 cup raw, unfiltered apple cider and 2 tablespoons of baking soda concoction using the same procedure as the previous mixture, only this time leave it a bit longer, like 5 minutes before rinsing them. Number 7. Alleviate sunburns. Relieve burning and itching by easing the irritated skin, which is what baking soda is famous for. It has antiseptic and drying properties which can help dry up blisters fast. To calm the itching and burning feeling, soak in a bathtub with water and half a cup of baking soda mixture for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 8. Say goodbye to dandruff. Keeping the scalp healthy means maintaining a balanced pH level, and as mentioned earlier, baking soda is good at this. There are 2 ways to do this. First is by combining a teaspoon of baking soda with fresh lemon juice and apply directly to the scalp. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse. Second way is by applying 1 teaspoon to your wet scalp and let it stay for a minute and rinse thoroughly. Number 9. Stop body odor. Because of baking soda's ability to absorb sweat and moisture, it minimizes the unpleasant body odor. Therefore, you can make your own antiperspirant by mixing equal parts of cornstarch and baking soda and apply it directly to your armpits to get rid of bad odor and sweating. You can also choose any essential oil, a tablespoon of water and 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda as an alternative. Number 10. Removes stubborn nail stains. Baking soda does not only possess bleaching properties but also exfoliating qualities that is perfect for eliminating stubborn stains. To treat yellow nails, use 2½ tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. Thank you for watching.